If you're looking for easy money by becoming a TikTok shop affiliate very fast, very easy, this is not the video for you, okay? If that's something that you're looking for, skip that video. Go watch Teletubbies or something, because this is not it. This is not the video for you, okay? Because in this video, I'm gonna talk about something completely else, okay? I'm gonna talk about how to start making money by selling products on TikTok shop affiliates, and I'm gonna share my journey with you. I'm gonna tell you what I'm trying to do and how I'm trying to build this business, but I'm trying to build something long-term, something that I can use forever pretty much, and I can also monetize it forever, okay? There's a bunch of YouTube videos that will show you quick tricks of how to do it, how to hook people, how to get 5K followers really fast and easy, but a lot of time these methods die out after a certain amount of time because the policy changes, TikTok becomes more strict, and I'm speaking from experience because I've been dropshipping on marketplaces and I know a lot about restrictions and bans because it happened to me in the past, okay? So what I'm gonna talk about in this video is I'm gonna show you how to build a long-term TikTok shop affiliate business that can be extremely profitable, but it's gonna require work from your part. But here's the cool part about it, okay? You can make TikTok videos about the stuff you love and like. And this is the direction I went with, okay? I'm not going with the directions like what will make me the most amount of money. I'm going with the direction is like what I like to do. I want to build something long term and I want to capitalize on that, okay? And I spent the last week watching a bunch of videos on TikTok shop affiliates, and I was really impressed with the results of some people. One of those videos that really impressed me is by a gentleman named Mo Mike, who literally made 11,000, almost 12,000 commission in one day. I highly recommend you guys check out this video. I'm gonna have a link for it down below in the description, okay? And this guy, he really got me hooked because his story is very compelling. And he was able to get to the very amazing results with his TikTok shop affiliates by making a very simple video, okay? So he was promoting these like nuggets on his account and he showed what type of ad he created, but even in the video he mentions that the ad he created is no longer supported by TikTok because the style he used is something that TikTok didn't like. This is why I'm using his story and his inspiration to motivate me, but I'm trying to do something completely different. I'm trying to build a long-term business with a brand, okay? I'm building a brand I'm gonna use for TikTok shop affiliate program. And if you're not familiar with TikTok shop affiliate program, I think you're missing out on a big opportunity, okay? Last year selling on TikTok shop was the biggest opportunity. I think in 2024, the biggest opportunity is by being an affiliate for TikTok shops, okay? We have a gentleman in our group that actually is doing the TikTok shop affiliate, and I was really impressed with the results. So he's telling us that he made $3,000 in commission in one day from doing this. So that even gave me more fuel and inspiration to start doing TikTok shop affiliates because I know this gentleman, I know what he's doing, and he's showing us that's possible. And then I found even more people on YouTube doing all of this. So it's definitely something that works. And by the way, if you want to join our Discord and also get access to 4 courses, 2 weekly meetings, and list of monthly dropshipping products, go to dropshipping.com and you can get all of that for $20, less than $20. And because I'm a really nice guy, I'm going to give you a 20% discount with the coupon code that you can see right now on the screen. Go to dropshipping.com, okay? And this might be even cooler than dropshipping because with dropshipping, you have to handle the orders, the returns, all of this stuff, right? But when it comes to TikTok shop affiliates, your currency is attention. Attention is the new currency, and your job as a TikTok shop affiliate is to bring attention to your videos and outsource that attention to somebody's product. And you do it by creating attention-grabbing videos. And if you don't know how to create attention-grabbing videos, you're in luck because TikTok literally has tools that can show you attention-grabbing videos and how to make them, okay? This is what it's called, TikTok Creative Assistant. Just type in that in Google or click in the link in the description of this video. This is going to take you here, okay? And this is a really cool tool. TikTok will literally show you what type of products are hot right now and what type of content is very popular as well. So for example, if you want to know the top trends on TikTok right now, just click right here in the middle tab. And this is going to show you all the trendy hashtags right now, all the trendy songs that are booming right now, all the trendy creators that are, you know, being successful. So it looks like a lot of makeup people are doing well on TikTok. So for example, if you want to create a content around makeup and be TikTok shop affiliate promoting, you know, makeup products, looks like you're in a good spot. And it will also show you trendy TikTok videos that are booming right now as well. So TikTok will give you all the information you need in order to start. But there's a better tool if you want to monetize on TikTok, okay? So I went back to the main page And this thing right here will show you the top performing ads, okay? And the thing with TikTok ads is that they are very natural. Like, I think the key to be successful on TikTok when you're running ads, it's to make an ad look very natural so it doesn't feel like an ad. And this will give you very interesting information, okay? It will show you how many likes this product is getting, what's the click-through rate, and how many views and budget this person is spending, okay? So for example, if I would like to promote this tool that I think it's for eyelashes, which has 25,000 likes and the click-through rate is 9%, which for that amount of likes and views, it's pretty good. It's a pretty high click-through rate. Yeah, I was right. So it looks like it's an eyebrow tool and the video is just 7 seconds. Very simple, very easy. So if you're into makeup space, that's really easy to create. I mean, this is a very simple product video then you can use. Here's some other suggestions from TikTok promoting similar stuff. Okay, so if you're a lady doing makeup, you are in a great niche, it seems like it. Here's another thing that I want you to be aware of, okay? TikTok has this AI built in and you can literally ask it why it's performing well. So they have a question, tell me why this ad is performing well. And the AI will tell you, okay? It will give you this analysis and the breakdown of why this is great, okay? So it talks about industry relevance, it's a short video, and it has a clear and compelling message, okay? These tips are kind of generative. I'm sure some of them might be good, but this can give you a good starting base if you're trying to figure out why this is working, okay? So the strategy here is to basically look at the trendy videos with trendy products, try to get an affiliate deal for this type of product, and create similar videos, not exactly the same, but similar with a similar vibe, and kind of replicate the formula because we already know what's working. Now let's just grab a little piece of the pie with our own video, with our own content, and try to monetize it on it, okay? Now, when it comes to becoming TikTok Shop affiliate, I guess there are two ways, okay? I'm gonna tell you about both of them, but I'm only gonna explain how to do one of them because I believe that other method is not sustainable and by the time you're gonna watch this video, it's gonna get shut down, okay? Let's call one method the easy method and let's call the another method the hard method, okay? The easy method is that you can open a TikTok Shop account without having any followers, without having people liking your content, nothing. You can be just a complete noob, okay? Open a TikTok Shop account and there's a workaround that you can do that will allow you to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, okay? So you just open a TikTok Shop so you can apply for the TikTok affiliate program. I'm not gonna explain how to do it because this is the method that I think it's gonna expire in a couple days and it's just not sustainable. But Google TikTok Shop affiliate workaround and I'm sure you're gonna find a video that shows you how to do it. But again, I believe this is gonna get shut down because I saw messages coming directly from TikTok saying that they're working on it and this method is not something that they really like. They were just not aware that people are doing it that way. And it's clear to me that this is going in the direction that they're gonna shut it down, okay? Now, another method, this is the one I'm doing, is by applying officially to the TikTok Shop affiliate with your TikTok account, your profile. But to do that, you need to have 5,000 followers, okay? So right now, I'm in this process. I'm building my page, TikTok page, and I'm trying to get the 5,000 follower mark, okay? I know there are people buying accounts. I know people that buy likes. I'm not doing any of that. I'm literally creating content that I like to do and I want to build a brand around it and I want to use this brand to make money with the affiliate program, okay? Now, there's something that I'm planning to kind of speed up the process of getting that 5,000 followers by basically running ads to get likes and followers on my page. And you can run these ads relatively cheap, but I would only run these ads on content that's performing well. So if I have a viral video or semi-viral video on TikTok, I'm only going to run ads on that content because I know it's performing well organically. So it's probably going to perform well in the AdSense as well. Again, I'm doing something long-term. I'm building a brand on TikTok and I'm doing in a specific niche. Okay. So you probably want to pick a niche and I decided to do something that I like. The niche I am in is cooking. I'm making cooking tutorials, cooking videos, eating food, stuff like that. There's tons of people that are passionate about that content. It's very easy to make it viral, in my opinion. If you know how to cook, it's very easy to do it. And there's tons of products I can advertise. So I'm again on the TikTok creative page and I type in TikTok made me buy cooking so I can see content around this. And here's someone that has a spoon that measures the temperature or the weight or whatever. They have a pretty high click-through rate, 4K likes. I can possibly promote the pasta or whatever. There's tons of ways I can monetize on that. and I'm not concerned of that. And it's an evergreen niche that is always going to be popular. So now I'm making content and cooking stuff, and I'm going to post it on my page. In the meantime, I'm going to run ads to speed up the process of getting 5,000 followers. But also, I kind of want to monetize right now. And there's a way to monetize it, your TikTok videos, without being a TikTok Shop affiliate, okay? So I applied to become an Amazon affiliate, and almost anyone can become an Amazon affiliate, and you can put links to Amazon products on your TikTok page. And when someone goes on Amazon and buys that product, you get a cut. So it's literally like TikTok Shop program without having a TikTok Shop affiliate program. Everyone buys on Amazon. Everyone just goes by it. The thing with Amazon affiliate though is that the friction is higher, meaning because people need to go to a different app and buy a product over there. I feel like there's a percentage of people that just lose interest. And that's why I want to go on TikTok Shop, because the friction gets removed and it's easier to make people buy something within the app itself. Again, this is just like a temporary program. In the meantime, I'm trying to get the 5,000 followers, okay? So the way I plan my content for my TikTok affiliate is by using the Creative Center again, and I just look on videos that are performing well, what is trendy, and then I try to do it myself, okay? So like here's someone that's cooking some salmon recipes. Maybe I'm gonna cook salmon, okay? Apparently, I actually did some research. So apparently because of the inflation, a lot of people are interested in like the grandma recipes, something that's very cheap and easy to make because people are just struggling financially right now. So this is the niche I'm trying to get in, okay? But I think a lot of people that watch this video are not really into makeup or cooking or anything like that. So what you can do, you can stick to something more general and just be like this kind of like a review TikTok shop guy. So what you can do, you can buy products from Amazon, ship it to your house, and just pick products that have this like wow factor and make content around it. So one of those products that comes to my mind is like a crazy phone charger. This does some crazy stuff, okay? They used to charge their phone, right, by having a bunch of cables and chargers. Now they have one to do everything for it. The video has 13,000 likes. The click-through is 9%. So you can make something like that. You can make content around that type of stuff. I think the easiest way to find this type of products is by simply typing in TikTok made me buy it and looking up what's really popular in that type of niche. It's a very general niche, so you can just advertise anything, okay? Pets are another industry that I think it's very popular. So if you love your pet and you like making content around your pet, I think that might be another one. So someone is advertising a leash here. Here's someone advertising this more general product, just like cleaner or something. Here's someone advertising an LED light. Here's someone advertising this like bubble toy gun. So what I would call a person that makes content around these type of topic is just like a wow page where they advertise products that have this like wow factor, and it's completely fine. You can completely do this and be successful with it. Matter of fact, those are probably the most successful videos out there. But again, I'm going a slightly different route. I'm going with my passion. I'm listening to my heart. God, that sounds so terrible. But I just want to build something long-term and something that I just enjoy doing. That's why I'm going with that direction. I'm trying to create a page on TikTok that will help me with that, okay? But let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have a question. Let me know if you would try to do the TikTok shop affiliate. This is something that, again, I'm trying to do right now. I'm in the process of building this whole TikTok shop empire and brand. I'm taking a slightly different approach than usual, but I think it has a potential and can work out in the end. If it doesn't work out, hey, you're probably gonna know first by watching this YouTube video. So maybe click on the notification button so you will get notified whenever I release a video saying that I failed. But I'm pretty sure that's not gonna happen. I hope you enjoy this. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you next time, my friend. Take care.